Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're just new to our channel, please do like and subscribe so we can be friends and you can watch our videos. Everyone is at home right now because of the enhanced community quarantine here in the Philippines. Might as well do a YouTube channel so you can ease your boredom and show the MC and the hidden talent you have in you. Okay, so let's get on to the list. Let's go! So I have here YouTube video ideas. So the first one is mukbang. So everyone knows, everyone loves to eat. I'm very guilty of that. Especially in this quarantine, all we do is eat, sleep, and the cycle goes on. It's a very good idea to do this video now because we have a lot of food in our ref. Number 2, talk with other people. You can ask your family, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or friends, or anyone to do this challenge with you. We already did one challenge with this and it's in here. It's in the description box. You can view it. Number 3, workout routine. Of course, in this quarantine period, we can have so much to do but to eat and sleep. So in order for us to help our body in shape, we have to do a workout routine. We already posted a workout routine, the 15-minute workout routine. You can check the video out to help you get in shape. And it's for beginners. You can easily do it. Video number 4. Cooking or bake with me. A lot of my friends are posting videos of them cooking in their social media or baking even. In this quarantine period, people are fond of cooking and baking. So use this as an advantage so you can attract a lot of viewers. Post this on your YouTube account. Post a video of you cooking using simple ingredients that you have at home. Since many people right now are very fond of searching simple ingredients that they can cook at home. Okay? So do it. It will become an absolute hit for you. Video number 5, makeup tutorials. Always, makeup tutorials are always trendy. Girls like me, you know, we always love to do our makeup even if we're just sitting here at home. In this quarantine, we don't want to get ugly, right? We always want to look pretty. So doing a makeup tutorial videos will always give you a thumbs up. Video number 6. Haul. You might have bought an item from Shopee, Lazada, eBay, Amazon, Watsons that you might have not opened yet. Unbox them, film it, and share it with the other people. You might have bought an amazing item, that interesting item that your audience might want to buy themselves. You can use this as an advantage so you can attract many people to watch your video. Video number 7, pranks. Oh come on, as we all know, pranks are always trendy. Most of the famous YouTubers now do pranks. Look at them now, they have millions of subscribers and millions of viewers. You might want to do a prank on your mom, dad, sister, or brother. You may also gain millions of viewers with this kind of videos. So do it now! Number 8, challenge. There are a lot of challenge videos available. You can do Chubby Bunny, do the pick the dead stroke challenge, or guess the YouTuber challenge, and many more. Film it, have fun with the challenges, and post it on your YouTube account, like we did in our YouTube channel. Video number 9, closet tour. If you have a very interesting closet, share it, film it. You might have something very interesting in your closet that your viewers might want to have. Video number 10, unboxing. Got the latest iPhone or the trendy Android phone of Samsung? Share your excitement with your viewers. Film it. You might be the first person to unbox this item and gather people who are interested with your item. Number 11, talent. Do a cover, dance cover, song cover, or any talent that you have. Share it, no one will judge you. Video number 12, skincare routine. Of course, do you have an amazing skincare routine? Film it, share it with your audience. Some might be having trouble with their pimples and you might have an answer to their questions. That's why skincare routine are very trendy video content. And maybe this is the answer for you to gain subscribers and viewers. Video number 13, outfit ideas. It's summertime here in the Philippines, but since we are in the quarantine period, we cannot go out and fully enjoy the season. But it is going to be a good video idea once the quarantine is lifted. Make your own fashion runaway. Mix and match with your outfit. Film it. Capture it. People will go crazy with your video and they will be used as their summer outfits. Video number 14, makeup collection. If you have a collection of cheap and expensive but effective makeups, film it. Girls, we go crazy with this kind of video, so post now in your YouTube account. Video number 15, paparazzi video. You might want to do a compilation video of your idol or your opinion about the latest trend and the current event. They may be very useful for your viewers. Video number 16, TikTok videos. If you have a collection of your TikTok videos, compile them, post them up on your YouTube channel. Who knows, you might get discovered for doing a great job. Video number 17, Q&A. Do a live video and make a question and answer portion. Involve your audience, ask them to give out questions, and please answer them honestly. Video number 18, life hacks. Life hacks are very interesting and very famous video because they can attract a lot of viewers since hacks are very useful to our life in our daily basis. So if you want to gain more viewers, do a life hacks video. Video number 19, gift ideas. Giving gift is always worrisome. Try doing a birthday, wedding, anniversary, christening, Christmas video gift suggestion. You might ease the suffering of the people who are having a hard time thinking about their gifts. Video number 20, how to edit your videos picture. Make a tutorial on how you edit your pictures in Instagram or you post on Facebook and your videos that you post on your YouTube channel. Video number 21, travel vlogs. But since we are in a quarantine period, we cannot do these travel vlogs. But you can still do travel in your comfort room, bedroom, kitchen, living room. Just kidding. But if you have a place in mind after the quarantine period, please make sure to film it, capture the beautiful scenery, and post it in your YouTube account. Video number 22. Collection video. Have a good collection of shoes, makeup, and clothes. Film them, share it with your friends. There might be someone who likes watching collection videos. You might get their attention by making this video. Everyone wants to experience this. Your first YouTube paycheck. If YouTube already gave you your first paycheck, why not try to do a video about it? Everyone is curious about on how much you earn in your first paycheck as a vlogger. But we don't have it yet. It's still a long way to go. So please help us grow and do subscribe to our channel. And please watch our other videos. Video number 24. Toy review. If you have a toddler at home who loves and fond of their toys, film them and help them do a review vlog. And last but not the least, video number 25. Do this video. You know, everyone wants to start their YouTube channel. By doing this kind of video, you might help them gather ideas on what content or videos they will post in their YouTube channel. Actually, right now, we have a total of 301 subscribers. So we're hoping and praying that this video will help us gain a lot of subscribers and audience. So please help us. So that's it for our today's video. I hope my ideas, my suggestions, and recommendations might help you grow your YouTube channel, increase your subscribers, and increase the number of your viewers. So thank you guys for watching the entire video and see you on our next vlog. Bye!